Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm preparing rice, Irish potatoes and cabbage. So meanwhile the cabbage is being chopped the other side, and it's being cut rather. I want to chop these Irish potatoes. Then I'll be frying using onion, tomatoes and onions there. So let's start. So I want to prepare the fire first, then continue. So guys, enjoy. So guys, I've already prepared the onions, Irish potatoes ready, and the tomatoes are ready. So first I'll fry the Irish potato first, then I'll be adding the cabbage later. So guys, hope you'll enjoy. So thank you. Let me continue. So wow, guys, the cabbage and our potato is ready, as you can see. So I want to serve with the rice. Wow guys, hope you enjoyed my cooking, and you can comment, share, like, subscribe if you're new here. So our rice is ready with the Irish potato mixed with the cabbage. That's how we cook in the village, an African way. So this is enough for me. I'll be testing and wow guys, so tasty and delicious. So guys, thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, share, comment. See you in the next one.